from the Renaissance English History Podcast, one of the longest running indie history shows. I've been podcasting on Tudor England since 2009. So today I just want to tell you an update of what's going on with Tudorcon this year and give you an opportunity to sign up for the online Tudorcon that we're having in October. So last year we had the first in-person Tudorcon. It was 3 days with feasts and parties and talks, and it was really awesome. And we're going to do that again next year. We're going to do it this year from the 2nd to 4th of October. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And of course, 2020 happened, and this is not the year for social gatherings. So what I'm doing is an online version. And we're going to still have the same kind of format. So we're going to have a party of sorts on Friday night. What that looks like is we're going to have entertainment, live streamed, and some pre-recorded. So we're going to have that. And then on Saturday and Sunday, each day, we're going to have a full day, 4 or 5 talks, each are about an hour. Talks from some of the leading Tudor historians and bloggers and podcasters and people authors. So they're going to be talking. You can check out the website for all of the details on the speakers. And most of the talks are going to be live, so you get to interact with people, ask questions of the speakers right there. So it'll almost be like you're there, but not quite. And then we're also going to have a cooking demonstration, and we're all going to cook together. We'll be able to share our results, everything like that of what we made. We're still going to have a costume party per se on the Friday night, which we did last year. It was hugely popular. So we're trying to recreate as best as we can what last year was like within the confines of this online world that we live in now. So originally I was just going to do the virtual Tudorcon for the people who had signed up for Tudorcon already this year as kind of a thank you for sticking with me. And, life happens and pandemics happen, everything like that. But I wanted to kind of at least give people something during that same weekend because people had already taken off work and booked it and things like that. But then I thought, well, since it's online, why don't I open it up to everybody or more people, just so then the people who are giving talks can get more exposure and more people interested in their work, and it seems to benefit everybody. So I'm charging $29 for it. You can come for all 3 days for $29. And the way the schedule is going to go is Friday night, we're going to have this party. We're going to have entertainment. Like I said, some of it's live, some of it's pre-recorded. We're going to have a costume party or a costume contest. So you can dress up if you like. I won't have the red carpet like I had last year, but you can have a carpet in your home. And then Saturday and Sunday, we're going to have talks. Saturday night, we're going to have the cooking demo, and we're going to do our cooking as well. So that's the schedule. So the cost, $29 for that. You get all the talks, you get the entertainment the whole weekend. You'll be able to have recordings of everything. So if you can't watch everything live, you can still have the recordings of it. So you'll be able to go back and reference things later. There's an online community that is just for the Tudorcon people, and you will be able to be part of that, where you can interact with the speakers and with the other participants and really be like, it's going to be as much like you're there as possible in real life. It is real life. It's just not together real life. So there's that. And there's also going to be a virtual goodie bag. So last year, the goodie bags were super popular. And I can't send you all a goodie bag this year. But I can give you a virtual goodie bag. So there's some people who are sending books and ebooks and things like that. So there will be a virtual goodie bag. Also contests and giveaways, all kinds of stuff like that throughout the weekend too. So $29, you can still sign up at englandcast.com/TudorCon2020. That will get you all of the information that you need, and you can sign up to come there. So I will look forward to seeing you this year online, October 2nd through 4th, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Super excited to see as many of you there as possible. And maybe some of you I will also see in person next year as well. The dates next year are October 1st through 3rd. It's in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania. So I have more information about that on this page somewhere as well, so you can check that out. Awesome. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you online October 2nd through 4th. All right, stay safe, be well.